Hey guys, welcome back to I Think It. My name is Ingrid. I have a very special recipe for all of you today. Since 4th of July is approaching, I think there is no better way to celebrate than making a pie. This pie, however, is going to be gluten-free, it's going to be vegan, soy-free, and nut-free. I will be making it with a lemon custard, and on top we are going to decorate it with the flag of the United States. This recipe, if you want to make it exactly how I'm sharing in the video, is going to require 8 ingredients. 2 of those are going to be optional because I'm going to use them to decorate the pie. But let me show you this. I am so excited. So I ended up getting the pie crust. This one is by Holy Wholesome. If you haven't heard of this company, they actually have a line of gluten-free products that happen to be completely allergen-free. Look in the label. In the label it says that it's wheat-free, dairy-free, egg-free, soy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, sesame, fish, and shellfish-free. Basically, this is safe for me and for anyone that happens to share the same allergens that I have. The cool thing is that you keep it in the freezer, and once you're ready to bake it, you take it out, you let it cool down for a good 15 minutes, and then you bake it for 15 minutes. Okay, let me go ahead and preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. Once ready, I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna keep checking just in case it is getting very golden brown on top. That's when I know I'm gonna have to stop baking it. So it's been 12 minutes and I actually had to stop it right now because it's already dark brown. Let me show you. See, that is perfect. So now that I have it ready, I'm gonna go ahead and make the custard and we're going to fill it in. Making the custard takes literally 6 minutes. So let me show you the ingredients I'm going to add. Let's start by adding half a cup of cornstarch. And let me add 2 cups of plant-based milk. You already know my favorite is oatmeal, so this is the one that I'm using. But you can use any other plant-based milk that works for you. So you have to mix it until it gets fully dissolved. Once dissolved, you can go ahead and add 4 teaspoons of sugar. I'm actually using granulated sugar, but powdered sugar or brown sugar will work perfectly for this too. So this I'm actually going to cook it in low heat for 4 minutes, but keep stirring. Okay, so right now I'm going to turn off the heat. As you can see, it is getting a more dense consistency. Keep mixing. Now I'm actually gonna add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And just mix it in. See, I told you, super simple to make. The trick is that when you start to see some clumps, you're gonna immediately turn off the heat. Now let's place it here. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, it looks so perfect. So now I'm gonna place this plate as the lid. I'm gonna cover it and I'm going to refrigerator for an hour and a half. While the pie is in the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and make the coconut whipped cream. I've already shared in the video how to make coconut whipped cream out of a regular coconut milk can. So I'm gonna leave you that in the comment section below and also in the card section above. Alright, let's start by opening this one. This can already has sugar and coconut milk, so I honestly don't need to do anything else more than whip it. Once you got your whipped cream out of the can, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it for 3 minutes. See, it only takes a few minutes and you end up having really nice coconut whipped cream. The trick is that you have to refrigerate your can of coconut milk, in this case this coconut whipping cream, but if you're using the regular one, make sure that you refrigerate it. You want to avoid having water, so the less water you have, the more whipped cream you'll get. This is another trick I'm going to show you. I have a pastry bag, but it takes a little longer to clean it. So instead of filling my pastry bag with the frosting, I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc bag. So let me make sure that I'm getting most of the air out. There we go. Then I close it. I am going to open it. See, I feel like you make less mess this way. I forgot to do these. There we go. So here you have it. It's going to be a lot easier to clean it since this part is actually not getting dirty. Decorating is absolutely my favorite part. I just got my pie out of the fridge. It looks beautiful. And as you can see, it's hard. Enjoy getting to learn how to make this super cute pie. Now it's time to try it. I know you were waiting for this moment. So am I. It's so good. Oh, I love it. So you can actually taste the coconut, a little bit of lemon, and then the raspberries on top. The crust does taste a lot like rice, but I'm so used to the flavor. I think this is a really nice pie. And now you can make it at home. It is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, completely allergen-free. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you make this recipe this 4th of July weekend. If you wanna get a downloadable image of all the ingredients that I use, I'm actually gonna leave that in my blog. So as usual, it's going to be linked in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed to iPinkett, and I know that you want to continue watching more vegan and allergen-friendly recipes, then make sure you subscribe. All you need to do is click the subscribe button and then hit the bell once. That way you receive notifications every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoy this pie. It's honestly not sweet. It's just a really nice blend of flavors. I usually add lemon to kind of contrast that effect that sugar has. I don't know. You can give it a try at home and let me know, but it doesn't have a lot of sugar, which is good. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave me those in the comment section below. And I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys! And also, happy 4th of July. Bye guys!